the mild cooing dove and the high sweet singing lark, they can sing their way to love, they say, so hark, so hark. But where is the bird that can shake the air? I said, where is the bird that can shake the air with a song of love's despair, like mine, like mine, like mine, like mine. Oh, the blackbird's thrilling song and the brave brown cockney sparrow, love for them is come and then is gone by tomorrow, tomorrow. But where is the song that can soothe the mind? I said, where is the song that can soothe the mind when a love has proved unkind, like mine, like mine, like mine, like mine. Oh, the robin and the wren and the merry goldfinch too, will you fall a-loving there and then without ado? But what feathered songbird can heal a heart? I said, what feathered songbird can heal a heart when two lovers kiss and part, like mine, like mine, like mine, like mine.